hello there. I have two test tubes of different liquids. Can you tell me their color? Yes, they're colorless. Now I'm going to mix them. Watch very carefully what happens. Did you notice something? Yes, a change. There's a change in color. Come in.
Oh, hi, Sue. Hi, Joyce.
I was just telling your friends watching this program about a change in color. Now, Sue, I want you to blow into this liquid of lime water. But before you do that, I want you to take note of the color of the liquid.
It's colorless.
Now breathe into the liquid. Do you notice what happened?
The lime water turns chalky.
Why?
You breathe out a gas called carbon dioxide, and that turns the lime water chalky. Now I want you both to see a film and describe to me the changes, okay? Do you know what the man is doing?
He's putting two pieces of dough together.
He stretches the dough and puts it into a basin of hot boiling oil.
Now, what do you get?
油条.
What changes do you see?
There's a change in size and color.
What causes the change?
It's the heat of the boiling oil.
Now, let's see what heat can do to this dried piece of prawn cracker.
Oh, it's expanding and it changes color too.
We've seen changes caused by heat. Here I have some cooked rice. The change is also caused by heat. Do you think I can change this cooked rice back into the uncooked rice? Like
No,
this?
it's impossible.
We say that this change cannot be reversed, or it is irreversible. Here's another example. A burned matchstick. The change is also irreversible. Let's see a film to see more changes. What is the man doing to the candle?
He's scraping the candle to get smaller pieces of wax.
Now, he's going to heat the wax.
Can you guess what will happen to the wax?
It will melt into liquid state.
Yes. The heat changes the wax from a solid to a liquid state. He has stopped heating to let the wax cool down. What happens to the liquid wax?
It changes back to solid wax and it takes the shape of the container.
If you were to go to the shops, you'd be able to see candles of all shapes and sizes, like apples, gift boxes, and many more. Do you realize that it takes time for one thing to change into another? Some changes happen very fast, while others happen very slowly. Sue, what's your height and weight?
The last time, that was a year ago, I was 154 centimeters tall and I weighed 45 kilograms.
Well, let's take your height and weight again, shall we?
Okay.
You're 1.64 meters tall, and you weigh 48 kilograms. That means in 1 year you've grown 10 centimeters taller and 3 kilograms heavier. Well, living things take time to grow. Let's watch a film on the development of a frog, shall we? These are frogs' eggs.
How long do they take to hatch into tiny tadpoles?
About a week.
The tadpoles are growing bigger and bigger.
I can see the hind legs.
Now, the forelegs appear and the tail is becoming shorter.
It has changed so much and is looking more like a frog.
When it becomes a frog, it will be able to live on the land too.
From an egg to a frog, it goes through many changes. I wonder how long it takes.
About 3 months.
It's quite fast when we compare it with our growth.
Now I'm going to show you both a tape, and let's talk about another form of change, okay? The traffic light is red, and all vehicles have come to a stop. When the light changes to green, the vehicles will start moving. When the green light changes to red, the vehicles will come to a stop. These changes keep on repeating. Other than the changes in color and the position of the vehicles, can you think of something peculiar to the processes of change?
I've got it. The changes follow a pattern. It repeats itself in a cycle.
Can you give me another change which follows a pattern, Joyce?
Let me think. Day and night follow a pattern.
A seed grows into a plant. The plant bears flowers which become fruit. The fruit contains seeds. When the seeds are scattered, they grow into little new plants, and they start the cycle all over again.
Well, boys and girls, you've seen many changes around you. The things around you are constantly changing. The next time you see a change, stop and think. What causes the change? Does the change follow a pattern? Is the change reversible? How does the change affect your life? Goodbye.
Goodbye.